Circle A shown is defined by the equation x positive to the whole square positive y square equals to 9. Circle B not shown as a result of shifting circle A down 6 units and increasing the radius so that the radius of circle B is 2 times the radius of circle A. Which equation defines a circle B? Okay, here we have the equation of circle A. Let me write it. That is x positive to the whole square positive y square equals to, we can write this 9 as 3 square so that we can get the radius. So here the radius is 3. I mean the radius of circle A is 3 units. Okay, now we are going to do two transformation in circle A. One is we are going to shift the circle A down 6 units, and also we are going to increase the radius so that the radius of circle B is 2 times the radius of circle A. Okay, let me consider the first transformation, that is a vertical translation of 6 units down. Okay, let's consider a function that is y equals to f of x. Now, let's consider the vertical translation of 6 units down in this function. So we can do this vertical translation of 6 units down in two ways. One is usually we subtract 6 on the right side, that is f of x negative 6. So whenever we do vertical translation down, we'll be subtracting the given vertical translation, that is 6 units on the right side. And the other way is we'll be doing the same thing on the left side with this y. So in that case, what I need to do is I have to add 6, that is y positive 6 equals to f of x. So it's very simple. So in this one, if I add 6 to both sides, what will I get? So this stuff I'll get. So this gives a vertical translation of 6 units down. So now to apply the first transformation, that is a vertical translation of 6 units down, I have to replace this y by y positive 6 to get the equation of circle B. Okay, let me do it. That is x positive to the whole square positive. Now this y has to be replaced by y positive 6. Let me do it. The whole square. And now we have to do the second transformation, that is the radius has to be increased so that the radius of circle B is 2 times the radius of circle A. Already we know that the radius of circle A is 3. 2 times of this 3 is 6. So then 6 has to be squared. So 6 is the radius of circle B. According to the equation of circle in standard form, on the right side the radius has to be squared. Okay, x positive to the whole square positive y positive 6 a whole square. The value of 6 square is 36. Okay, here I got the equation of circle B. Now we have to check the answer choices for the equation of circle B. I find the stuff on the left side over here in answer choice A. On the right side over here 4 times 9. 4 times 9 is 36. That's exactly well over here. So the correct answer choice for this question is A.